Hello, welcome to part 2 of converting customary units. So this time we're going to be going from larger units to smaller units. So let's take a look at a problem on IXL. So here we have 7 gallons and 2 quarts going into quarts. So gallons are a bigger unit than quarts, meaning that there are more quarts per gallon. And so we're going to be taking this and trying to go to just quarts. So let's visualize this. Remember last time we said that 2 pints is equal to 1 quart? Well, it turns out that there is a different conversion unit to get from quarts to gallons because gallons are bigger than quarts. And to find out what that is, I'm going to go to my HiSET formula sheet, and I see that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So the conversion unit is 4. So it takes 4 quarts to make up 1 gallon, which means that basically if this gallon jug were empty and it would take 4 entire quarts poured into it to fill it up. That's what that's saying. So let's represent this using some pictures. In the case of this problem, we have 7 gallons and 2 quarts. So I've got 7 gallons here and 2 quarts. And now I need to figure out how many quarts I have. So I'm starting with 7 gallons and 2 quarts. And I'm just going to take that and go into quarts. So if there are 4 quarts for every gallon, that means that it's going to end up being a lot of gallons. So for each one of these gallon jugs, I'm actually going to be multiplying by 4. So for 1 gallon jug represents 4 quarts. And I have to do this 7 times because there are 7 gallons in total. So you can see it's very quickly adding up. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. So now I've done 7 times 4 quarts because 4 is our conversion unit between quarts and gallons. So now I could count all of these up. I'm going to get 28, and then I'm almost done, except for that 28 quarts actually only represents these 7 gallons, and I've ignored these 2 quarts that are left over. So now I have to actually take these 2 quarts and add them on to get my final answer. So I've got 28 gallons or 28 quarts plus 2 more because I had 2 more kind of hanging out there. And so I'm going to end up with 30. Those are 30 quart size jugs. So if I want to do that out in numbers, it's actually pretty simple. All I need to do is take 7 gallons and multiply it by my conversion unit, which is 4, to get 28, and then add that 2 quarts onto the end to get 30. So here we have 7 gallons and 2 quarts is going to be equal to 30 quarts.